What if your faith is not enough to get you through the storm? You're not alone in feeling that way.
Faith is not a guarantee of a storm-free life, but it can be the anchor that holds you in place. So, how do you rebuild faith when it's shaken?
According to Yakobus 1:12, blessed is the one who perseveres under trial, for they will receive the crown of life. But what does it mean to persevere, and how do you do it when everything seems to be falling apart? You start by acknowledging your weaknesses and limitations, and then you focus on building your faith-based resilience. This means being honest with yourself and others about your struggles, and seeking support from your community.
One of the key elements of faith-based resilience is learning to reframe your perspective. When you're in the midst of a crisis, it's easy to get caught up in negative thoughts and emotions. But what if you could learn to see your struggles as opportunities for growth and transformation? This doesn't mean ignoring your pain or difficulties, but rather, it means choosing to focus on the lessons you can learn and the strengths you can develop. Another important aspect of rebuilding faith is cultivating a sense of gratitude and hope. When you're in the midst of a crisis, it can be hard to see anything to be thankful for. But what if you could learn to focus on the small blessings in your life, and to trust that God is working everything out for your good? This means choosing to focus on the present moment, and to let go of worries about the future or regrets about the past.
Finally, rebuilding faith requires a willingness to be vulnerable and to take risks. This means being open to new experiences and challenges, and to seeking guidance from others. It also means being willing to admit when you're wrong, and to learn from your mistakes. You don't have to have it all together, and you don't have to pretend that you do. The strongest point of all is that you are not alone in your journey. There are people who care about you, who want to support you, and who want to help you rebuild your faith. Don't be afraid to reach out for help, and don't be too proud to accept it. You are stronger than you think, and you are capable of overcoming even the toughest challenges.
So, what's the first step you can take today to start rebuilding your faith? Is there someone you can reach out to for support, or a practice you can start to cultivate gratitude and hope? Share with us in the comments below.
Remember, rebuilding faith is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, effort, and patience, but it's worth it. You are worth it. Keep pushing forward, even when it's hard, and trust that God is working everything out for your good.